Hi Krishna everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican dosa. It's very easy and simple recipe. For the dosa batter, first of all, I have taken 3 cups of rice and 1 cup white urad dal and 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek seeds. I have soaked them all in a separate container and left them overnight for around 8 hours. The next day morning, I ground the rice first with the fenugreek seeds and then ground the urad dal, and after this, I have mixed them all together and rest the mixture for nearly 6 to 8 hours for fermentation. Then you can add salt and according to your taste, and so you can see the dosa batter should be like this. It's like a little bit runny. And for the Mexican dosa, I have taken the ingredients which are bell peppers is a green, red, and cabbage, and also is a sweet corn, then red chili flakes, oregano, is a sweet chili sauce, and coriander, and cheese. And also I'm going to take ketchup, and the mayonnaise is eggless mayonnaise. You can get from the Asda supermarket or Tesco, anywhere. So let's start with how to make it. So first of all, we took the non-stick pan, and here is the trick I want to tell you. When the pan is hot, you have to try to sprinkle a little bit water, and if it's gone, see, so it's now gone. And one of the trick as well, this is the half potato, like is a raw potato, and then I'm just going to so it's going to be like your dosa will become very quickly as well. And I'm going to spread the dosa batter. The gas flame is slightly high, and you can spread it like this. And so you can see here, and I'm going to add, they're going to just brush it with the oil. You don't need to sprinkle it like this way, so it's less oil and healthy as well. And after this one, you can do the gas flame is slightly low. So here I'm going to spread it the chili sauce. It's a sweet chili sauce, or you can use the Maggi masala sauce. And for the little bit ketchup, that's I'm going to spread it as well. And so I'm going to add mayonnaise. So it's mayonnaise I'm going to add. Here you can use so many varieties of sauces, suppose salsa sauce, but today I'm going to take the simple sauce. And afterwards I'm going to put the cabbage. It's very thin slice, peppers, and make sure the gas flame is very slow, and green peppers, and also going to add some sprinkled sweet corn. After spreading the vegetables, so here I want to tell you one thing. If you like to, if you do not crunchy vegetables, then these all stuffing you can cook on pan, then you can spread it, or you can try with this crunchy vegetables and cook it like this. You do not have to cook that much as well. because sometimes some people like the crunchy taste as well. And after this one, I'm going to add red chili flakes. It's according to your taste. So we're going to just a little bit sprinkle it. And I'm going to add oregano. You can use fresh parsley, but here I'm going to take the fresh coriander leaves. So you can see how it's colorful. And after this one cooking, I'm going to add, we're going to cook around 2 minutes or 1 minute. And I'm going to just drop a little bit oils, vegetables oils. Just only sprinkle it. And meanwhile, when it's cooked, the vegetables cook. It says like 1 minute I leave it, and then afterwards I'm going to add cheese. So here you can use if you are vegan, you can use the vegan cheese. So I'm going to add the cheese. Sometimes some people like the paneer as well, so they can put the shredded paneer as well. So that also nice taste. So this is the pure Indo-Mexican dosa, we can say. And I'm going to add, this is the hot pepper sauce. So it's just a little bit sprinkle it. So now you can see it's like cheese melted and it's cooked as well, the dosa. And here I would like to share one of the sloka from Bhagavad Gita, is chapter 3.13. Why we should offer the food and like why we should eat the prasadam. So it says like the spiritual minded who eat food that is first offered in sacrifice are released from all kinds of sin, and others who cook food for their enjoyment verily eat only sins. So we always offer to Lord Krishna the food first, and we do not taste as well while we are cooking as well. So first Krishna will enjoy the food, and then after we will eat prasadam. So here I'm going to fold it the Mexican dosa, and I'm going to offer to Lord Krishna. So you can see I'm going to cut it. So here is the food ready. I made the sambar, and this is the aloo stuff, and also is a Mexican dosa, and this is the water, and we're going to offer it with tulsi leaves. Okay, here we're chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. So we leave it the food around 10 minutes and let them to Krishna enjoy. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe as well. Hare Krishna.